Hello again, and if you saw my previous two videos recently, this is the third one in the sequence, and I've been making soap. So today I'm going to cut the soap. Here it is, all set and ready to be cut. So I'm going to take it out of the mould in a moment, and then I'm going to cut it into the 12 bars. So the reason I'm doing this, if you don't know, is that I've made 12 bars of soap, which we'll produce in a minute, out of champagne, because initially it was just a celebration, but I've taken it way further than that now, because I sold 10 bars of soap in 48 hours, so I thought, great, celebrate champagne. Then I thought, I want to give something back, given the current situation with coronavirus and everything, and so I've decided that 10 of these bars I'm going to give away to key line workers, so ambulance people, nurses, doctors. If you can nominate somebody that you know. If you don't know somebody, then please share this video, tell your friends and family that I'm doing this. I need to know 10 people that I can send the soap bars to. Now I've got 4 names so far, which is brilliant. So that's 4 people who will get the soap bars. So I need another 6 names. So please talk about this to your friends, family, share this to everyone, and let's see if I can just help me to help them. They are helping everybody at the moment and doing a fantastic job in terrible circumstances, and so I think that I really want to give something back, just as a way of a small thank you, a token of thanks to 10 random people that you choose, and that are nurses, doctors, ambulance men, or anybody else who's on the front line during this crisis, just as a way of appreciation for what they are doing for us, the public. So anyway, that's my thinking as to what I'm doing. So yeah, so I'm going to cut this soap so you can see what it looks like. It's got essential oil in it as well, which is grapefruit essential oil, so it smells really fresh and fruity. It's really nice. So let's see what it looks like. I'm just going to lower the camera a little bit so that you won't see me, but you will see the soap and me cutting it. So I'm going to take it out of the mould first of all, which is a nice, easy, quick release system. So I'm just going to put these bits on the floor so we will see what it looks like. And we've got the 2 different colours, because if you saw the earlier videos, you'll see that the colours were a pink colour, and pink champagne I guess, and a gold colour. So I'm going to pull this off. I do say that I'm not using single-use plastic in my soap. You need to line the mould with something. This is actually a bin liner, and out of one bin liner you can get 3 or 4 cuts of this, which line the mould nicely, and it can be reused because that can be washed. Nothing gets thrown away here. Right, so I'm going to get this out of the way, and this is the soap cutter. So I'm going to place the soap in the cutter, line that up, there we go, and now I'm just going to pull this down, you see that okay, and cut the soap. Okay, so put the bit of pressure on there, that seems to be cutting nicely. There we go, all the way through. This has been drying for about 20 hours, maybe a little bit less, so soft enough to cut, and there we go, that's cut. a little piece at the end there, so you can see that. That's you got the two different colours in there. That's really nice, and yeah, that smells really good too. So I'm just going to put this on here. So hopefully you can see the two colours there. That's come out really well. That's really nice. So it's got a nice champagne. I don't know what happened there. I've got a curved corner. I quite like that actually. But yeah, I think the pink and the gold kind of works quite well. So that's that one. I'll take them all out so you can see them all the different swirls, because I poured in. If you saw the previous video, I was pouring in and then swapping over and pouring in again, two different colours, and that's what helps to produce some really nice swirl effects. So this is really good, and as I say, it's got a champagne base, this soap, so smells lovely, and so it's kind of a pink champagne with ordinary champagne colour. It's kind of like the two different champagnes mixed together, so I think that's quite effective. So there we go, that's another one. Each one is individual, different and unique, but I suppose that also reflects the frontline workers. They are individual and unique people who are doing such a fantastic job at the moment, which is why I've decided to do this. So there we go. But these, I think these have come out really nicely. Decent size soap, and yeah, I think this will be a nice thank you to them. These have to dry. These will take usually take about 4 weeks to dry, and at the end of that time I will be able to send these out. So there's plenty of time to there we go, that's a bit to send or to collect the names of 10 people. So please share this video, get as many people to see it as possible, so that I can do my little bit. I'll just put that up. So that I can do my little bit, just to say thank you to so many incredible people out there doing a fantastic and probably dangerous job at the moment, in that they are putting their lives on the line for everyone else, risking catching this this virus, and it doesn't sound nice. I mean, you might get mild symptoms, it could be worse, who knows. But this is my way of saying thank you to them. So please, please, please share this with your friends, tell your friends and family about it, and let's together make this happen. Thank you for watching. There'll be another video soon.